Welcome back to Nomad Motorhomes. Watch this rear garage transform in seconds. Motorcycles, e-bikes, or even more fit inside. Plus, hidden storage you have to see, a cold storage drawer and an underbed vault. The 2026 Kenworth W1000 is packed with practical, clever surprises, and today I'll show you every single one. From the outside, it looks like a classic Kenworth long-nose truck. But step inside, and it's a fully engineered luxury motorhome. Whether you're a full-time traveler, weekend adventurer, or just love smart RV design, this tour is for you. The W1000's exterior is massive yet refined. Built on a heavy-duty Kenworth chassis with the X15 engine, it handles US highways with confidence. Aerodynamic bodywork, aluminum accents, and retractable awnings aren't just stylish, they improve efficiency and long-term usability. LED running lights provide excellent night visibility, and automatic entry steps deploy smoothly for easy boarding. Inside, premium finishes stand out, soft leather seating, warm LED lighting, and hardwood surfaces. The panoramic smart glass windows adjust from clear to tinted at the touch of a button, giving privacy without losing the view. Behind the main sofa is a fold-down workstation, fully integrated with USB charging, cable management, and Wi-Fi boosters. Perfect for working on the road or planning your next adventure. Honestly, this beats balancing a laptop on a picnic table at a rest stop any day. The kitchen is modern and functional, dual-zone induction cooktop, convection oven, deep stainless sink, and a fridge that locks automatically while moving. Lift the cutting board, and you'll find a hidden cold storage drawer, ideal for drinks or fresh produce. The pantry wall slides out on shock-dampened rails, keeping everything secure during bumpy drives. Road trip snacks. Already accounted for. The lounge area has a 55-inch 4K TV that rises from the cabinetry, plus underseat climate-controlled storage. Watch this. Whoa, that's a lot of storage for such a small space. How much would you pack in here? Let me know in the comments. Not only is it practical, but seeing it in action really highlights the clever design. Small touches like this make long trips organized and enjoyable. The bedroom is cozy and quiet, memory foam queen bed, blackout skylight shades, and excellent sound insulation. Lift the bed, and you'll find a climate-stabilized utility vault, perfect for valuables, tools, or anything you don't want cluttering your living space. Practical, usable, and completely believable. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, stainless fixtures, and automatic ventilation. The triple filtration water system is perfect for remote camping, ensuring clean water wherever you go. Every utility, from lighting to pumps, is energy efficient and easy to operate. Now for the star feature, the hydraulic rear garage. Big enough for a motorcycle, e-bikes, or adventure gear, the floor lowers hydraulically for effortless loading and unloading. This isn't a gimmick, it's a feature you'll actually use on every trip. On the road, the W1000 drives remarkably well for a truck-based motorhome. Adjustable air suspension smooths bumps, and the cabin is quiet even at highway speeds. US-specific driving notes. Turning radius is manageable in city ramps. Lane handling is stable, even in crosswinds. Braking feels confident when fully loaded. Cab comfort for 6 to 8 hours is excellent. Height awareness is key, 13 feet 6 inches overall height requires attention at overpasses and RV parks. Notice how the suspension soaks up every bump, smooth, even with a full load. Check out how smoothly it corners, you don't feel its size at all. Optional dynamic POV, quick shot showing suspension absorbing a bump. Fuel economy is about 7 to 9 miles per gallon depending on load, standard for a rig of this size, but the drive feels premium and controlled. This motorhome is ideal for full-time travelers, cross-country explorers, and anyone who wants luxury, practicality, and clever hidden storage all in one. If you value comfort and smart engineering, the W1000 delivers. Overall, the 2026 Kenworth W1000 combines practical luxury, clever hidden features, and US road-ready performance. From the cold storage drawer to the underbed vault and hydraulic rear garage, every feature is built to be usable and visually impressive. Thanks for touring this rig with me. Hit that like button, comment which feature impressed you most, and don't forget to subscribe to Nomad Motorhomes. Next week, a rig folds its entire living space into a tiny home on wheels. You won't believe how it all fits.